Okay, good morning guys. This is Cocina Benita. I'm starting cooking today for the higado that I marinated last night. Okay, so this is the only one I have to cook because most of the time, we had already barbecue later, noodle, but I cannot show everything. The only thing I wanna take a video right now is my higado that I marinated last night. We had this potato, bell pepper, carrots, and I marinated this pork, with soy sauce, um, and I marinated with garlic, onion, and
I think that's the number one team, bro.
all the other one, the sauce that I have. I have oyster sauce also. I use this kind of the oyster sauce, guys. So I have also the liver. It's already with the Ziploc. This is for wash dishes. Okay, that's why I did like this. I just come back from the church, guys. So I'm starting cooking. I'm showing you the menu that I have cooked today. Okay, like I said, I repeat. I have a liver. I have to fry that first, later on. Then this one is easy. Wanna know, what is the secret exactly for the higado? To marinate it. Onion, garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And that's it, guys, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys later after I cook. Okay, and like I said, we have a lunch time today in my house. The visitors coming in afternoon. Okay, so I'll see you guys back after I cook. Okay, bye.